I would like to develop a new leisure complex in Llanelli town centre. The new leisure complex would include a multi-screen cinema, hotel, theatre, offices, shops, restaurants and bars. This will create new jobs and attract more shoppers and visitors to the town centre of Llanelli. Travelling will be no problem, as there would be 240 car parking spaces and a new bus interchange there.
I would like to develop new flood defences in Llanelli along the North Dock and the Millennium Coastal Park. These would include replacing the existing sea defences, wooden groins and breakwaters, with rock groins and concrete breakwaters. I believe that this development is essential if we want to protect the coast of Llanelli against climate change, rising sea levels, erosion and storms. Recent storms have already destroyed the Millennium Coastal Path around Llanelli.
I would like to develop a new sporting complex in Llanelli. The new sporting complex will include tennis courts, all-weather football and rugby pitches, a gymnasium, swimming pool, a netball court, athletic track and a velodrome. I believe that this is a very exciting and important development. It will encourage more children and people to become more active and live healthier lifestyles. People will not have to waste time travelling from one sporting activity to another. Cycling has also become very popular in recent years.